mission of our Joyful Noise is to bring the beauty, the power, and the joy, and all the things that music can bring to people in our Baltimore community who are in challenging situations. That is cancer treatment, incarceration, veterans, homelessness, and families with children with autism.
Playing music for me is something that I love deeply, more than almost anything else, and being able to share that in a really honest way in a place where people maybe haven't gotten to experience a lot of love in one way or another in a while, that has been incredibly inspiring to me.
So they're not temporary moments. These are experiences that people can share and carry with them for the rest of their lives, and who's to know how that's going to touch someone else. So music is not this fleeting thing.
We love it and we definitely need it. It's a massage to our soul. We will welcome you come often, because not only physical treatments, our brain needs this type of treatments.
I love playing for the Azure concerts. It's so much fun to perform music in a setting where there's just kind of raw energy exploding around you.
I think they were taking things away from the music and those experiences that we may never even begin to understand.
There's something about playing for the men at the Baltimore station that has become very, very meaningful to me, and it's become truly one of my most favorite places in the world to play.
And I think of this piece as peace of mind. There's something so soothing about this extraordinary music.
Very comforting, the music is, and the musicians are so emotional with their instruments. It just inspires me a whole lot.
There's so even some tragedy in the piece, but then it comes full circle with the very essence of hope and love.
Meeting with people whose experience is so different from mine, but we find common ground in the music.
We have professional musicians from all generations, and we pay them, and we feel that this is important because these are real concerts.
The fundamental philosophy of our Joyful Noise is that everyone deserves access to the very best live performance.
And it was food for our soul. The music was beautiful. Gorgeous concert. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate it. Everybody appreciated it so much.
I think that's been one of the most inspiring things I've done in my musical career.
That was my first time ever crying during a performance.
It reminds us that the music that we play is powerful, and it's meaningful, and the world needs it.